So Cookie Monster got strap in, buddy. Hold on. I got strap him in. Where's the strap for it? I don't have one. Hey! Who are you? Who are you? This is Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster, you're on Sesame Street, aren't you?
Who are you?
Do you eat peanuts, Cookie Monster?
No, I eat cookies.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
I only like cookies. And who are you? What's your name?
I am Peanut Monster. That's why I have these
No,
peanuts.
your name is Mike. Who was that thing up there?
That's Melchior, the scarlet macaw.
Ah!
Can you
That
see?
little parrot up there?
Yes.
Who do you think you is? And he's just that little pet. What is this up there? Just parrots? One. I'm gonna get it down. 1, 2.
Be able to get him down. He may come down from kids and not me.
1, 2, 3. 3. Ah. Cookie Monster can't fly. Dang. Ah. Who you think you're, parrothead? This time I'm gonna watch you eat it. These cookies. 1, 2, 3. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ah! Sting me! Ow! 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 Hey, Mike. Cookie Monster hurt his hand by a bee.
Oh, we'll have to put some anti-sting cream on his hand. How about that?
Yeah, Mike.
Is that a good idea?
Yes, sir. I can't get by again. Thanks for watching.